Hello, guys. Um, hello. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope you're live. We're watching the charts right now. It's quite bullish, by the way. Market is going up toward the upper side after the opening. New York opening session at this point could have been a buy at that point. When it occurred this week, I was like at this point as well when it was holding this range. When it was holding this range, I was like, you can buy for this high 50% of the range and up for the level of the 1 hour time frame gap. These pink lines, or maybe who knows, market has to go to invert this 1 hour time frame, knock this high, and then it has to go to all time high as well. 107, 109, 1010. Who knows which way it has to go? So could have been a buy, by the way, at this point. This one, you can risk that. Just stop loss, your stop loss should be just below this week. When it formed this week, you jump into the trade, your stop loss below this week. You look for the market for the or previous highs to be knocked off. This happens at 9:35. Right now it is going toward upside. So far it is respecting this 1 minute time frame PDA raise, keeping them open, which is good. It means it really wants to go toward upside. But we have a 15-minute time frame fairly gap, 15-minute time frame big fairly gap, a 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. 1 hour time frame we have highlighted that. So as it is going up, it could invert those fairly gaps. 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame fairly gaps very easily, because this seems to me quite aggressively bullish. The way it is going toward upside could have been a buy at this point. I was not in front of the charts at this point. I was like in front of the charts. I was like, can I buy at this point? I was like, we was like figuring out, and then it went toward upside, and I was like, I was trying to be live as well as early as possible. Sorry guys, I'm late. The reason is like, I was thinking about something. I was thinking about something because I have my dad coming up. I have to pick up him up from airport, but I was thinking about, should I go, should I not? I have to go with my cousin, and then if I would have went there, I could not be able to do live stream now. I would have done live stream later. This is what I was thinking about. I have just like 10-20 minutes to decide on, and then I was that even though this was going on, like, should I go, should I not, should I go, should I not, and then all of a sudden I decided no, and then I was late after that. That's why like, you can say that I missed this trade, or not. I should feel like I've missed this trade or not. This is what I'm thinking about. Is this more of like obvious trade? Y- it is not obvious trade for me right now, but yeah, you can say that because overall market is bullish. You could have taken this trade with very small risk management. Your stop loss would have been very tight, and then obvious trade. You can say that. You cannot say that as well. The way it has gone are going up, you can say that yeah, it is obvious. But if, for example, if market is in here and you are looking to buy, I will look for this high, maybe 50% of the range, and maybe up for the level to close. I would have closed my position at this point most probably. Yeah, and this is more of like a 600 to quite a big move, by the way. 400 for this is 600, and then $800 move market has given us quite a big move, but it is still possible it could be continue to be bullish from here. I do not want to think about like I've missed the trade. You can say that I missed the trade. But I really wanted to focus on right now. What could happen right now? This is 1 minute time frame gap. It is respecting that, which is good. We are anticipating inverting this 15-minute time frame gap. Try to knock this high. This high we are aiming for because we are bullish. That's why we are going to the upper side. That's why. So I cannot jump into buy right now, guys. Cannot buy. We have to just watch and observe. That's it. Because we don't know. Maybe market has to not to go to this high. It seems like it wants to. It is respecting this 1 minute time frame PD raise. Look at this. But maybe it has to make a retest at some point, and then we don't know. Maybe we buy and market will start to making a retest. So that's why we are. Not, I do not want to to chase the price right now. So far, it is going up toward the side, which is good. That's why we're watching and observing the chart, doing nothing. I'm hungry as well. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I was just telling you guys. I cannot buy here. The reason is I don't know. We don't know when it has to come down. Now it is going down. Maybe this is what it is. We was thinking about. Maybe it has to respect this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Then it has to come down. Maybe who knows? And we have to keep in mind that we have left all of those lows in play. I'm not confident on all of those lows. These lows, I'm not confident on. But it is not really like look at this 15-minute time frame close, a big wick, and then do you think this 15-minute time frame market could knock this high? I don't think so. We have this 15-minute time frame gap as well. 30-minute time frame closes. Look at this 30-minute time frame close. It's 10 o'clock not now. So 1 hour close as well. Look at this inside this 1 hour time frame gap. So you can look the way it has shown rejection come back inside the range. You can anticipate these lows from the market. There is no denying about that. You can anticipate these lows or maybe 4 hour time frame fairly gap as well. On bigger picture time frame, just on bigger picture time frame, 4 hour time frame, Do you think market has a potential to be coming back down to this 4 hour time frame fairly gap from now? Possible, maybe not. 4 hour time frame 50-50, 1 hour time frame maybe, maybe not, maybe not. 30-minute time frame, complete rejection from 30-minute time frame fairly gap, 1 hour time frame upward level as well. Maybe, maybe not. 15-minute time fairly gap from here going down, maybe. Let's see, like if it has to go down to knock these lows, it should have to be aggressively going down from here. Something like this kind of price action I wanted to see. The way it has gone up, the same way it has to go down. The same way, if it has to go down, it should have to respect 1 minute time frame PDA raise on a market and then tends to be bearish if it has to knock all of those lows. So right now we are anticipating this the Fibonacci gap. Market should have to not to go above this high from here tends to be going down, but it is more like seems to be going up from here. This is what it is. Right now I'm thinking about maybe all of those lows could be knocked, but it is also we have to keep in mind that we're still bullish. Shorter term time frame on shorter term time frame, and we are holding this daily high. The only thing I knew, if it has to go down to knock all of those lows, it should have to respect to 1 minute time frame period raise. The way it has gone up, the same way it has to go down aggressively, and it should not have to go above this high. This is the only thing I knew. It has to do if it has to go down. Otherwise, we're bullish, and even if it remains sideways, I'll be more like skeptical. It not seems to me that it really wants to go down. It means it could be continue to be bullish or maybe remain sideways. If it has to be continued to be bullish, I'm anticipating this 1 minute time frame favorable gap. Market should have to invert. Stop loss should be below this low. Try to knock the previous high, but it may not happen like that. I think so. It may not happen like that. If it did not do that, it will may come down one more time to knock this low. Then we'll see. Technically speaking, I would say that this could have been your trading session. This could have been your trade in the morning session. You buy in here, 50% of the range here as well, maybe here as well. Look for this high, 50% of the 1 hour time previous gap or upward level. That's it. And you close your charts. Because this week we are already anticipating or expecting from the market to give us very small trades. I'm anticipating that because we're trading quite a big range inside quite a big range on bigger picture time frame, and This structure for me right now are toppy. It is more of like toppy to me. Like market could roll over at any point. Maybe knocking the all-time high, then go down. Maybe from here go down. Maybe just knock this high, then go down as well. This structure is more of like top to me. This structure, these highs, I'm not confident on the way market is creating all of those highs, and market is creating bearish divergence as well on 4 hour time frame. But we don't know the exact top. I don't think so. I'm not confident right now. The way like the one more thing I wanted to mention right now. Right now, this is what I was thinking about before, and the anything started. The market was trading at this, and I was like, it should have to keep this 1 hour time frame fair gap open. If this is the top, and market should have to be bearish all the way to further low levels to this weekly fair gap as well. A major pullback toward downward. This is what I was thinking about. I was like, if it went toward upper side, create highs very close to this high, then I will be not confident that this is the local top. This high could be knocked, the previous high could be knocked. Maybe it could come down, hold the area, then create another high. And then we will see from here market is bullish, try to knock all of those highs. We'll see from the downward side price action. But I'm not confident on this high right now. This high could be knocked, and this high could be knocked as well. How, when, what time? We don't know. We don't know yet. This is what it is. I'm thinking about right now. I'm anticipating that this session will be boring from now on. The trade which was there, it just after the opening market has done, I think so. And we have seen that many times it happens as well. Market open and just do whatever it has to do. And the rest of the time, most of the retail traders or they look for trades, they look for setups. Market really did not have to do anything. Yeah, that's how it is. Right now, at the moment, retail trader because it has went toward upper side. I think the retail trader will be pushing to buy, and smart money may send the price toward lower levels. This is what it is I'm thinking about. is what it is I'm thinking about right now. Sorry, I forgot to tell my. I forgot to tell my what's tutor. This is very choppy right now. Big 15-minute time frame failure gap. 30-minute time frame could create 30-minute time frame failure gap as well. Big 15-minute time frame failure gap. 5-minute time frame. Look at this, it's going up now. At that moment, it is difficult to trade, difficult to enter a trade for a bullish case scenario, even a bullish case scenario as well. Yes, you can say that this structure has been, because market is going up toward upper side. We're trading at upper level of this 1 hour time frame fairly gap. We should have to be look for all of those highs. Not confident on this high, but if you look at this structure on a market, difficult to trade because you don't know what is your stop loss. Your stop loss is not defined by the market at this range. This range, your stop loss is not defined, so that's why. Look at this, the way market has created this week, and more for like coming back. I'm not confident on all of those lows. If you knock all of those lows, it could be coming back down to this 15-minute time frame fairly gap, and more of like inside this 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well. And we have to keep in mind that we have closed inside this 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well. Last 1 hour time frame. So far, it is going up. By the way, it is difficult to get into any kind of trade at this point for me personally. It's a boring price section, but up to you cannot still you should have to be bullish by the way for this because it is going up from here to the upper side, remain more like sideways. This point while going to the upper side we cannot trade. At this point while sideways, difficult to trade. Up till now I did not find any kind of like trade because I'm not confident on all of those lows. Yeah, you cannot. Difficult to buy as well at this point. It could go to this high, by the way. This is a previous high, and we'll see if market has a potential to go to all-time high as well from here. All-time high mark may not go to all-time high today. It may not go to all-time high today. If not go all-time high, we'll see this high, which is at 108,500. It will go to 108,500 as well here. But for me right now, let's see if this is the fairly gap market respect this fairly gap and try to knock this high. Keeping it open is great. So this week up till now we have just taken yesterday one trade, very small trade. Yeah, yesterday very small trade. We took one contract, and then Monday we did not took any trade, and today is Wednesday. Up till now we have not taken any kind of trade. So this week I'm already anticipating and expecting from the market to may not give me a good trades, or even though if it will give me trades, if it give me trades, it will be small, quick take profit trades. Yeah, I'm anticipating more of like choppy price action this week. Could not call them high, but we'll see. So this is the fair value gap. This is what I was thinking about. Let's see market not to go below this low. From here going up to knock this high. We're just watching and tapering. Rata for me, there's no trade. Look at this, it is going down now. We was anticipating this fair value gap market should have to respect and then go up, but it is going down. Now how you feel if you're bullish and you're looking to buy, but it did not went down, went up from here rather than going down. Feeling very dizzy and very not confident at all. Look at this 15-minute time frame. Look at this. If let's see if 15-minute time frame close bearish. This is what it is. I was thinking about. Market has done what it has to do after the opening. That's it. After that, could be completely sideways. In the same price action we are watching right now, sideways price action. Very boring, very chopping right now. I think, guys, I have to go for a sleep. We'll see. I'll be in front of the charts in afternoon session, and I have to go for a sleep. I'm very tired, and then I'll see you guys in the next one. We just quickly wanted to discuss this live stream after the opening. This could have been a very good buy. You close your charts, you close your position. This is not a very much big trading day. Would be you take a trade, you small trade, you take a profit. You have to be exiting the charts as quickly as possible, and then that's how you should have to trade. And this is what we have done in this live stream. I did not trade this trade. I was just watching it went whatever side is fine. This is the I wanted to see listen to right now, and then we have another thing as well. In the night we will have a look into that into certain levels, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow same time. Yeah, no job tomorrow. We'll see you guys in the tomorrow. Bye.